Meghan Markle lies dying in car crash in tasteless and abhorrent scene from new film. Meghan Markle is depicted dying following a car crash in an outrageous scene from a new Lifetime film, which sparked outrage among royal watchers. American actress Cindy Morton can be seen lying injured among the wreckage of an overturned car in shocking footage included in the upcoming Lifetime film Harry and Meghan, Escaping the Palace, with which the Duke and Duchess of Sussex had no involvement. In the scene, the actress playing Meghan is surrounded by paparazzi taking pictures of the harrowing crash. And a terrified Prince Harry, played by British actor Jordan Dean, rushes through the group of photographers and pulls the door open to see his wife pleading for help. The film later reveals the incident was just a nightmare the fictional Duke awakens from, relieved to find next to him Meghan and their son Archie. The deeply upsetting car crash scene, which appears to be taking place in a tunnel, depicted in the film is a clear reminder of the incident that claimed the life of Princess Diana on August 31, 1997. The staggering decision to include a similar scene has been highly criticized by social media users. One Twitter user branded the scene tasteless and abhorrent. Another social media user said, "This is in bad taste. I don't believe they can make a series like this." A third said, "I find this unnecessary and offensive." Yet another simply said, "This is sick." And a fan of the Duke and Duchess of Sussex wrote on Twitter, "Harry and Meghan, escaping the palace. Tasteless." The first one was, "Well okay," the second not so much, and the third, "Thanks but no thanks." Who in his right mind using what happened to this mother in real life, for a nightmare scene for his wife? Nasty #don't be third to look. As noted by this Twitter user, this is the third film by U.S. cable network Lifetime to focus on Prince Harry and Meghan. The first film, titled Harry and Meghan, A Royal Romance, focused on the blossoming romance between the couple. The second, Harry and Meghan, Becoming Royal, portrayed a fictionalized version of the royal wedding and saw Duchess adapting to her new role. The third addition to this series of TV films, to be released on Monday, will include Meghan and Harry leaving the firm, their interview with Oprah Winfrey, and even the Duchess' mental health struggles. The real Duke and Duchess of Sussex did not collaborate with Lifetime for the creation of this series of films. The couple has their own production powerhouse, which will see them create docuseries, shows and children programming exclusively for Netflix. Harry and Meghan announced their deal with the streaming giant in September last year, saying that as producers they would create content that informs but also gives hope. They added in a statement, "As new parents, making inspirational family programming is also important to us." The Duke and Duchess of Sussex are also working with Spotify, as was announced last December. The pair have so far released only one holiday special at the end of 2020, ahead of the launch of their Archie audio podcast. Express.co.uk has contacted A&E Networks for comment. was announced last December. The pair have so far released only one holiday special at the end of 2020, ahead of the launch of their Arch-Udal audio podcast. Express.co.uk has contacted A&E Networks for comment.